Jen reviews here, and let me tell you why you need to try this faja. Is shapewear with shorts. I want to show you. So this is how it looks. Okay, so the main goal of this faja is to reduce the volume around your midsection. And as you can see here, it has two closures, like you can put it on the first or you can put it in the second one. I find it comfortable in the second one. I like the material because it's breathable, and as you can see here, you can put it on, and if you're wearing pants or shorts, chances are it's not going to roll over the clothes. Also, you can wear it with basically anything, dresses, skirts. This is how it looks in the back, and it has here some adjustment for the back too. I like it because it enhances your curves. So if you're on a diet, if you just want to look more curvy, more slim around the midsection, this YIANNA is the best. This also was a free sample and I love it. I like the color because it goes basically with everything, but they also have it in black. I hope you enjoy my review and I hope you check it out because it's really awesome. Thank you for watching.